crunchy and sweet. B is for ball, bouncing to beat.
C is for cat, perfectly cute.
D is for dog, with a wagging tail salute. Is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish, swimming away. G is for giraffe, tall and long.
H is for house, where we all belong. I is for igloo, icy and cold.
J is for jellyfish, wading in the hold.
K is for kittens, soft and cuddly too.
Is for lion, roaring loud and true.
M is for mouse, quiet as can be. N is for nest, cozy as can see. O is for ocean, waves crashing free.
P is for penguin, whipping happily.
Q is for queen, with a royal crown. R is for rabbit, hopping around. S is for sun, shining bright and bold.
Is for tiger, with stripes of gold.
U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin, playing a sweet sigh.
W is for whale, swimming in the sea. X is for X-ray, showing you and me.
Y is for yellow, a sunny, bright day. Z is for zebra, striped in a playful way.